Can I go out?
No.
Please.
No, mommy.
Can I go out with my friends?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't like. Because I don't like to have any no friend. Because I don't have any mommy.
What? But I miss my friends.
You have to stay with me here.
Why? I miss my friends. I wanna go out with my friends.
You don't have any deal.
I don't have any deal. Why not? You're my friend, but I miss talking to an adult.
Stay here.
Please, I'm giving you this now, the placemat. That's yours now. You can do whatever you want there. Can I go out?
No.
Please, Jeremy. Okay? Thank you, babe.
No.
Thank you, babe. You're the best.
No. You're not following me what I'm talking about. If you're not think what I'm talking, I'll let you stay at the mud puddle pig. If you didn't listen what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But you cannot listen.
What? I'll go out there, ha?
No.
Thank you,
I
babe.
said no. No.
But you're smiling. So that means it's okay.
It's not okay.
Because you're still smiling. Oh, you look at your face. Still smiling.
What? You see.
Ooh, why you won't know if your face is smiling or not.
I will.
Okay, can I go now?
No.
Can't sit. Bye, babe.
No. No, no, no.